Beauty is personal, and you deserve products that do it all. That's why each truly custom Prose product is made to order just for you. From millions of possible formulas, only one is uniquely yours. First, our consultation crafts a clear picture of your life and your hair and skin goals, analyzing over 80 factors. Next, our advanced AI algorithm personalizes your formulas, creating a unique blend of naturally powerful and proven effective ingredients, precisely measured and mixed to address all your specific needs. But that's just the beginning. As your hair and skin change, so do your formulas. Evolving, improving, and learning from your feedback for an always custom fit. Backed by more than 500,000 five-star reviews and a clinical study that proves personalization works better. Get your custom formulas at Prose.com.